Namaste, I'm Ushoshi. Thank you for your immense love and support in my all previous videos. Now, in this video, I will share with you a very small token of love for this Christmas to your beloved or your best friend or anyone you love the most in this world. Now, let me show you what I made. I made this one. I hope you can hear the sound. Yes. And I made another one too. So yeah, these two little cuties are super affordable, so anyone can make. So if you liked this, then please keep on watching.
So this is a sellotape roll. I have saved it when my sellotape finished. So now I am going to color it with FEVICRYLS white acrylic color, and this is it. I double coated it. Now I have a normal white cartridge paper, and I will take the inner radius and the outer radius of the sellotape roll and cut it. So over here I have an acetate sheet. If you're not having an acetate sheet, you can use a channel files cover, that plastic cover, and I'm taking the radius of the paper and cut it. Now on the paper I will draw a snowman. You can draw anything. Later on I will show you I made a Christmas tree also. So if you don't want to do a snowman, you can do a Christmas tree or anything that is related to Christmas. So yes, I'm using brush pens to color this model. So if you're not having brush pen, you can use sketch pen, but I recommend use a brush pen. I'm using Camel's brush pen and normal Lux's sketch pen. After this, I will fix the sellotape roll with FEVICOL. Now I have a table salt. This is a normal table salt, nothing fancy, and I will give 2 spoons of it into the picture or the hollow space. Now I will seal it with FEVICOL, just applying the FEVICOL on the edges, and then I will put the acetate sheet on it. After this, I will take FEVICRYLS black acrylic color and make little designs, and this is pretty much it. So your very cute, easy, affordable gift is ready to rock the floor. I hope you all will love it, and if you do it for your loved ones, then do let me know in the comment box below which one you will make.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you didn't like the video, you can easily dislike it too, but do share your comments. And if you have any suggestion for me, yes, I had stopped telling this because I was quite busy, so I didn't wanted that anyone put a request in my comment box and I can't keep it. So yes, now I am telling, if anyone wants to request anything that they want me to make, they can easily do it in the comment box, and I will surely put it up in my channel. And yes, if you are new here, I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. If you like my work, then do appreciate me by subscribing to my channel, and hitting the bell icon will notify you whenever I post a new video. I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye and love you all.